My name is Esteban Kolsky, and I'm the president and founder of ThinkJar, a think tank focused on customer strategies, customer service, and how to work better with customers. The biggest change we've seen in the last 12 months when it comes to customer service specifically revolves around the way that people are beginning to implement customer service. If you would have asked me 12 months ago how much budget is allocated, how many projects are going on, the numbers were very small. Somehow at the beginning of this year, sometime between March and May of this year, we saw an influx of money, an influx of projects into the market, and that led to a very large spending coming into the market. Vendors were overwhelmed with requests. Consultants and systems integrators were completely out of resources, and people in my position trying to analyze and understand the market were trying to figure out what happened. And as best as we can imagine, and as best as we can figure it out so far, it's all about the economy recovering in the United States and beginning to bottom out in other parts of the world. So a better economy is actually leading us to more investment. Biggest difference in investment that we have seen 12 months ago, 2 years ago, even 5 years ago, most of the spending was done in large chunks, in large decision-making projects. It would take a year to 2 years to make a decision, 3 years to implement. Today, we're seeing decisions that are made in like a month, maybe less than that. Implementations that go 2 to 3 months. They are much smaller. Once that works, we go to the next one and the next one and the next one. So at the end of the project, we have the same spend, the same results, but we did it in a smaller scale and we did it in smaller steps that actually works much better. Finally, the influx of new technologies into customer service. We saw the demise of social, finally, where we didn't see it as a savior for the market, but rather it's just one more channel that we can use. We saw the upcoming and the surge of mobile. We saw some localization that started to become more apparent, but still very early stage for that. We haven't seen a lot of that yet. There's a lot of other technologies that we're still evaluating. There's a lot of other things, but for the most part, we're seeing, like I was saying, this very small deployment of new technologies to see how they work and then growing from there. It's always been very hard to answer the question of what pain points technology solves, because technology is not a solution. Technology is an assistant, an aid to the solutions that smart organizations will undertake when it comes to understanding the problems in customer service. So I'm not going to answer as much as technology per se, but how the technology has assisted us. We have faster way to deal with customers. We have better ways to understand what customers want. We have more interesting ways to design customer experiences for customers. And we have a much better control of all the channels and an ability to track an interaction across multiple channels. Now that the customer is in control of the conversation, now that the customer mandates what companies need to do for customer service, technology is assisting companies to deliver more effectively, to deliver more efficiently towards the customer expectations.